all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. We do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do makeup hauls, reviews, lifestyle unboxings, pet unboxings, beauty unboxings, live streams. We do it all here. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. And y'all, don't forget, we do have quite a few active giveaways. They're going to be linked down below, so definitely check those out. But as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, I have the Tarte Custom Create Your Own Kit. They do this twice a year. It is $63 for over $200 worth of products. If y'all know me, you know I love Tarte. So I was actually not going to purchase this because I'm like, I really don't need any more makeup right now. But how can you say no to a really good deal? Especially when I have been using, and actually have on my face today, the Too Faced Born This Way powder foundation, because it is a full coverage foundation, but it's a powder. So it's very lightweight and doesn't feel as cakey sometimes as, you know, a liquid foundation may feel. And I really just like the powder foundations. So of course I took a look, and one of the options for the face, obviously they had their Shape Tape foundation, the Amazonian Clay foundation. They had the Amazonian Clay powder foundation. So your girl got suckered in. So I did actually open it because it was already open and I was a little nervous. I'm like, did somebody go through my package? But I opened it and I did take, it was wrapped up still very pretty in that beautiful purple Tarte paper, but I did go ahead and kind of take it out just to make sure everything was here, and it is. So I will show you everything I got. You get to pick literally like from each category, like complexion, and then, you know, like maybe highlight or blush, and then you have like lashes, mascara, different things you can choose in that category. Then there's like a hair and body, and then you obviously get to pick a bag. They usually have about 3 to 4 bags you can choose from, because that's part of it, is you're building a custom makeup bag or kit. And then there's like lip products and obviously like eyeshadow type products. So it's a really, really good deal. I mean, it's only $63. You get 7 full-size products and a bag, and they only do this twice a year. So I'm actually really excited with the products I got. So we will start with the bag. This is the bag I selected. It is a really pretty, like black bag with like gold. So I just think it's, I don't know, it's just kind of classy. It's just a pretty bag. It does say Tarte there on the zipper. So, and I'm not sure when this video will go up because I'm doing quite a bit of pre-recording right now. Again, if you've been following me, you know I'm about to go on vacation. So I don't know if this will go up a day or two before I leave, or if this will post while I'm gone, but I may use this bag while I'm gone. Okay, got that off of the zipper. And then it just is black on the inside. There actually is a little tag right there that says Tarte as well. But it's a nice little makeup bag. I think it's just classy and pretty. So I chose that one. And then we'll start kind of in order, or we'll go in order of how they had it select. I may be off a little bit, but we'll just wing it. So foundation was the first choice, that I do know for sure. And like I said, I really do like powder foundations for some reason. This summer is when I really got into them, because here in North Carolina, y'all, it gets muggy as all get out. Like, you walk outside and it just, everything melts. Well, with powder foundation, I found that that didn't happen as much, or as as quickly anyway. So I don't know. And then I've just really grown to love powder foundation. So I literally have hit pan on my Too Faced Born This Way. So this is honestly what did it for me. This is the only reason I ended up doing this kit, because I wasn't going to do it. But I went with the color, well, it just says light medium beige, light to medium skin with pink undertones. So there is that. And then this part is kind of frosted. Now I'm not gonna, so there will be the little holes to dip in. I'm not gonna remove that just yet, but we have the foundation, which I'm definitely excited to try. I know it'll work because that's kind of that's the same light to medium skin tone with pink undertones. That's the same that I use for the liquid foundation from Tarte, so I know it will work. So in the makeup bag it goes. Next, I believe was, I honestly don't remember at this point now, but the next product I got where you could choose a blush, highlights, different things, I chose this little Hamptons Weekender. And what I like about this is it literally has like a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter all in one. And keep in mind, like I said, I'm about to go on vacation, so I was thinking about being able to take a bunch of product, but in like a small way. So this is what it looks like. That is super pretty and cute. All right, so it does have a mirror. And there you can see the highlight, the blush, and the contour. Done. This is all I will need to take on vacation, and I'm good. I don't need to take 3 separate products because they're all right here together. And I think that blush is a perfect shade for fall. The highlight is in the shade Beach Getaway. The blush is in Summer House, and the bronzer is in Farmer's Market. So I am very excited about that guy. Then I got this little eyeshadow palette. Now I think they had some single shadows. I think there may have been another little palette. But again, I just thought this was, first of all, super cute. Second, this is the Tartelette Flirt palette. Again, this is something that is busted up and broken, and apparently will not be going on my trip with me. Oh, y'all. I'll have to email them. My only concern is with these custom kits, they're like, all sales are final, no returns. But I have dealt with Tarte customer service before, and I'm pretty sure because this arrived broken that they will replace it. So anyway, this was a really pretty palette. It just came broken. It had 4 mattes, 2 shimmers, but it just had like the perfect combination for neutral looks. Getting it all over me. So that won't be going on vacation. I will set this to the side so that I can contact them. I'll send them some pictures. All right. Then I believe it was eyes. Now, if you follow me, you know that I have said I don't wear mascara that often. I have plenty of different mascaras. Some I have opened, some I haven't, because obviously I don't want the shelf life to go bad. So I was like, do I want to get a full-size, because they had full-size mascaras. I'm like, do I want to get a full-size mascara? I didn't want to get lashes because I really don't do lashes, except for now the magnetic lashes. But then I came across this and I'm like, you know what? It's always good to have a spare. So I chose this little set. It's called Picture Perfect. And it is their eyelash curler and one of the little lights Camera Lashes mascaras. So, because I have a eyelash curler from Thrive Cosmetics, and I really do like that one. Now, this was going to be so difficult to get into. This, okay, see, I'm wondering now, because the way the package was open, this is like busted up right here. So I think there was a little issue in transit. Oh, goodness. Y'all, they are making this like, what was that? Oh, it's one of the, it was a, okay, so apparently there's a little spare pad for the eyelash curler. Why in the world are they making this so, oh, okay. Let me put this knife down before I stab myself. All right, so eyelash curler. I like that it has like the rubber grip. You see, it says Tarte. So, and then the little Lights Camera Lashes. This I actually will keep and put this together in the makeup bag because again, this is perfect for traveling. The only thing that will not stay in this makeup bag is the foundation. Then we got to select like a hair and body item. I think they even had a lotion. I honestly don't remember, but I saw something that I love. Again, if you follow me, you've seen this product on my channel before, and that is the Tarte Hair Goals Full Size Dry Shampoo because, you know, life. So I was really excited to get this again. So yay. And then the final optional one, like I said, it was a lip product. And I have actually been eyeing this guy for a little while. So when I saw that it was included, I got even more excited. It's their Rainforest of the Sea collection, but this is the Color Splash Shade Shifting Lipstick. And I got the shade Body Surf. And like I said, I've been eyeing this because it's that shade shifting. So certain ways you turn. Plus, I know I love the formula of this particular line of lipsticks that they do. So here is the color. So there it is. This to me would be a great topper, but it just, I don't know. It's just something I'm like, that is so, so pretty. So I chose that guy. And then that is it for the actual custom kit. But I actually had some points and I figured, hey, let me cash in. So I did, and I got like a $10 off. You couldn't use it on this. Well, guess what? This guy right here was $10. And I've been wanting to try this. This is their new Stay Spray setting spray. So I got the travel size because it could go in my makeup bag. Your girl's just trying to be prepared. So, oh, that is actually a really good size. So here it is. And actually, you know what? I haven't put setting spray on yet today. So we'll just put some on and see how the mist is. Oh, that's a nice fine mist. Smells really good. So I have a setting spray, again, that's not full size. I'm not going to take up a bunch of room in my suitcase. Can go right into this bag and we are good. So, and I like that the mist was a, fine mist. It's not like gonna leave spots on my face. So that was my Tarte custom kit. Again, they do this twice a year and it is of over $200 value for $63. And again, I just really liked the variety, especially this time. It seemed like they had a much larger variety of products. I don't recall ever seeing the dry shampoo in there. Again, I loved that they had the little eyeshadow palette, the little Hampton's Weekender palette that had the highlight, the blush, the contour, or bronzer, and yeah, so I'm super, super happy. Like I said, I'll contact them, send them an email. I'm sure they'll replace the palette. I'm excited to finally try this right here. Because see, like looking at it down here, it almost looks like a light pinkish. But when I bring it up here, it's more of like a corally peachy gold. So it definitely does do the shade shifting, but I love it. So let me know what you guys think. Did you guys pick this up? Did you get any of the same products? If you did, well, just let me know your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.